Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today we are going to tell guys how to fix talkback on lava phone. Friends, you want to fix your talkback on your lava phone. So my how to fix today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you have your talkback problem, and friends now you want to fix your talkback problem. So my how to fix talkback friends, I am not operating my lava phone. Friends, you have also this talkback problem. So my how to fix talkback problem today friends, I will show you, I will tell you. First of all guys, use your two finger, any two finger guys you can use, but guys use your two finger, because guys one finger guys you cannot fix, you cannot fix this talkback problem on your lava phone and guys any android phone. So guys, use your two finger and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your phone setting guys. So guys one tap on your phone setting, and guys now we will double tap here. So friends, you can see this type of interface on your lava phone. So friends, scroll with your two fingers. Again guys, scroll with your two finger guys, and guys you can see guys your phone guys, your intelligent assistant. So guys one tap here guys, and guys again guys we will double tap here. As you can see guys your assistant settings. So guys scroll it. As you can see last accessibility setting. So guys tap on accessibility, one tap, and guys again guys double tap continue accessibility setting to fix talkback. Guys you can see talkback setting, we will tap here, and guys we will double tap. Use talkback setting guys, one tap here guys, and when you can see your talkback icon. So guys we will double tap here, stop talkback and cancel option. So guys we will click on guys stop button and get double click, and guys don't click, one tap, you can see talkback will not fix. So we double tap continue. So friends, your talkback problem will fix on your lava phone easily. Friends, you can use your lava mobile without any talkback problem. So I hope friends you understood how to fix talkback problem on lava phone. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Before going guys, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel.